So this video we're going to look at a bunch of changes in the firmware 1.3. So if I zoom in here, I can now see a numerical display showing what screen we're on. If you zoom in or out, it'll change the numbers. The number on the left is the screen you're looking at. The number on the right is how many screens there are. So we're going to go over undo and redo. So if I press a note here, I can just press back and it will undo every note that I press. Now let's say I press a bunch of notes at the same time. In one step, if I press back, it's going to clear all of them. So it works by layers, in other words. So what you can do is press record and play and enter in notes. And you can undo it while it's happening. While it's playing, you can press record, and every time you turn on and off record, that kind of sets it in stone, so to say. So I'll show you exactly what I mean. We don't want that, so press back, redo, bring it back if you want. To clear a pattern, let's say we like this pattern, we want to make a new track, and yet the notes are still here, so all you have to do is hold down the horizontal knob and press back. What that does is it clears the pattern. We can also undo it by pressing back and redoing to clear it again. So now Quantize is not locked to the zoom. So you press shift and then press the select knob here, and then you turn it until you see Quan. That means it's quantized. So you press the knob and we see here 16th, 32nd, 64th zoom or off, which actually uses an even smaller quantization than 64th. So what this means is I can make a longer pattern and record notes in, and they will all be in time exactly quantized to a 1/16th note. So now what we want to do is learn how we can actually change the program of an external synth, for example. Because now we have that function. So I'm using a Novation base station. If I want to change that program, I just press down the knob. You'll see PGM, and then you press the knob again, and you can change it now. So let's leave it on the first preset. I just pressed back. Let's copy that to a different section. Now in this new section, I'll just press down, down, and then change it. Okay, let's keep that one and press back twice. And we're back here. Now, if we change sections, it's going to change the preset that we chose. Now let's say you want to learn how to nudge notes, which is a new feature as well. All you have to do is hold down the up and down knob and then turn the left and right knob, and as you can see, it's going to nudge the notes. If you want to do it at a different resolution, you just hold down this knob, zoom in, and now it'll nudge it at a closer zoom. So you can zoom out and then nudge at a further zoom.